Okay, let's make some hush puppies like they do at Long John Silver's. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/3 cup of white onions, 1 cup of whole milk. Mix it all together, and you can cook them for 7 minutes. You're going to need a cookie cutter and some parchment paper. Okay, let's stir this up. Now you're going to deep fry these 3 to 7 minutes, or 3 minutes on each side. Now, another way you can make these is get you some stovetop stuffing. Make this batter up and do it that way too. My grandma used to do that all the time. So that'll give you another option if you want to do something different. Okay, now you can butter your pan or whatever, but I'm going to just get them out where I can shape them, and then I'm going to freeze them for later. Now, if you're going to freeze these, you need to leave them in the freezer for about an hour. Let them get froze, and then stick them in a plastic bag or airtight container and fry them the day you want to fry them. But you probably need to leave them in the refrigerator for about overnight to unthaw, or a couple hours anyway. This way you can always have them on hand and you won't have to make them all the time. We got our first batch of hush puppies, and we're going to cook them for 7 minutes, 3 1/2 on each side. We're still cooking them. They'll be done in a minute. Then I'll show you what they look like, and you can dip them in tartar sauce or ketchup or however you like. Thanks for watching. This is Hush Puppies. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thank you. Bye.